Let's talk about Winnebago for just 1 second. This is a 31 Class C with a gigantic slide on special sale. Winnebago, the #1 biggest and best manufacturer of motorhomes. Ford motor, V10, good fuel economy, not great, but really great size. Let's go inside. Very spacious, you'll be very surprised. Come on in. First thing I want to point out, old Class C's used to have carpet in them. There's no carpet here. It is beautiful wood floors. You can sweep it out. You could almost hose it out. You have kids, you're traveling, you've got dogs, and you got all kinds of things going on in a coach like this. That's what it's for. And you're towing the boat. You don't want carpet down. Winnebago is taking care of that for you. Beautiful sink, stove, microwave, just like everybody else, and a very large refrigerator. Lots of room to sit around. Look, it's MSRP'd at $93,500. This price is so low that we can't talk about it. It's a brand new 2017 for an incredible price. Pismo is the only people that have this particular coach. There's only one. So it goes, it's gone. You can't say, I'll look at it. No, you come in, you sit down, and you say, I want this coach, and we'll work out a number for you that will blow your mind. So I'm going to turn around here just a minute. We also have a beautiful couch, additional sleeping quarters up on top that has room for a couple of kids if you want to climb up there. Comes with a ladder that swings in and out of the way so that you don't have to. And now look at there. There's the hookups for the ladder. If you want to be able to get in and out, you just push it out of your way. Back here, be careful, there's a step. A beautiful bathroom with a sliding door that comes out instead of all those curtain things. No, a real door. Toilet, shower, queen size bedroom. So you can get in and off the couch very simply. Big screen TV, balances around the windows. The Winnebago brand is the best Class C in the market today. If you don't come and take a look at this coach and get that exciting number, you can have a trade-in, you can have no trade-in, you can do whatever you want to without the down payment. Come and see us. Ask for the 31 Winnebago Spirit, and we will give you the deal of a lifetime.